Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. It's really smoky here in California. It's smoky right now. I tried to do this with a mask on and didn't really work out. You couldn't hear me that well. So I'm going to film as fast as I can on this video that I'm doing right now. This is comparing a solo papaya to Mexican papaya. I did this because I don't want to plant a whole bunch of papayas in my garden and I planted the wrong one from seed. I don't buy these plants. I just buy the fruit tastes good, I dig out the seeds and I just plant them. You may think that the solo looks really amazing, a lot taller, bushier, but once the temperature gets above 95 degrees, it suffers. I have to put it in the shade, I have to give it water every other hour. The Mexican papaya has never wilted, ever. Now obviously I water it, but I have to water this 3 times as much as this. So this is gonna stay. I'll just keep this in a pot just to see what happens. But I'm glad I grew a whole bunch of these over here on the side. Let me show you. So all over here are the Mexican papayas. I planted a whole bunch and I thinned out like 70 of them. Here's the oldest one right here. You can see the base. And then it died back in the frost and it just grew back up. And it is flowering, but we're gonna see if those take. I don't really mind if it doesn't, but they do a lot better here. And this gets really hot here on this wall right here over here. Just a lot of afternoon sun, and they do just fine. There's some moringas mixed in with them, and another bigger moringa right here, but they do just fine. So obviously it's gonna be Mexican papaya in my garden. So beautiful plant. So definitely Mexican papaya does a lot better than the solo Hawaiian. Happy gardening, everyone.